What's up, everybody? Another time, another pair with the toast effects. We have little talk, more action. Little talk, more action. This is one of the very precise entry. It's a good sniper entry. Whether it's a sniper, whether it's anything, it's been nothing. But what matters is the perfect entry with the perfect exit. Okay. So since Tuesday, that's when I had a second analysis. Of course, I did the first analysis on Sunday with my mentees in the class session while we were preparing for the new week. I had no any intent to look for GBP dollar, but my mentee said that, okay, let's look at the GEO. I said, okay, fine, let us look at it. And I saw this opportunity. On Tuesday, I remember I just reminded them, like, you see, guys, price is near our entry. We are not yet missed. We need to really respect our confluence. Better be missed out, but never change the plan unreasonably. That's very childish. And this price on Monday, it was nearly hit the area of interest, but not the liquidity, because it was simple. It was a head and shoulder, just the neckline of the head and shoulder, the potential daily time frame area of interest, right? So that's what exactly happens here. That's what exactly happens here. As you see, price came to test at the neckline of the head and shoulder. But the analysis of this pair actually started from the 3 months time. We look at the 3 months time frame. With the minor structure, we are bearish. With the major structure, we're bullish. If we don't know to this point what is major structure, what is minor structure, you need to take serious classes to understand things. But with the minor structure, we are bullish, although price has already reached this very strong price ceiling zone for quite some time. So whenever price approaches this area, we are facing with the price ceiling and the opposite reaction. So that's what I just want. But coming to the monthly time frame, the observation tells us that this price is in the consolidation since May last year. Since June last year, price is consolidating. So this gives us the area, the zone of business is between the monthly highs of consolidation and the monthly LLC. So under this area, now we are going to focus. So I will never deal with anything that happened in the previous history if price is in the higher time frame accumulation, and we do nothing under this stage, just recognizing in the marking our ZOB as a potential recent area of interest to capitalize for our trade. And then the whole other structure shall follow from the next lower time frames. So now, coming to the weekly time frame, it was very much a kind of observing what I called from the monthly time frame, where we have had this accumulation since July 2025 to date. There's no absolutely clear structure, just a matter of observing and being very analytical. Like, look at the trend. This market was bullish to the resistance zone, and then abruptly we have had a shift of the structure. Price came to retest at the inside formation. While price was retesting the inside formation, we have had a very massive bearish engulfing candle, engulfing at least 4 weekly candles, which were taking a long momentum. So that was an indication for the change of direction. All right. And now, what are the other indication? After this price have had given this strong bearish momentum, we have had a retest at this weekly price ceiling and the price floor zone, whereby the last 3 previous candles gave us a evening star. Sooner the moment touched the weekly time frame price floor and the price ceiling zone, it's followed with an evening star. You remember, evening star is one of the reversal pattern. So whenever we have a shift of structure, we might expect that price will come to liquidate And the inside structure depends whether we have an inside formation, head and shoulder, whatsoever the case it will be over there. So that was a good indication for this week. When this price opens, that was my anticipation that price will come to retest at a daily time frame, price floor and price ceiling, and then continue. Remember, last week on Friday we have had employment news, NFP news for the United States, and the dollar somehow report was looking to have a positive impact on the number of employment, which supported that bearish movement of the pair and the bullish movement of the dollar currency. So this week it is a retest. Perhaps maybe we might have a continuation. If we have, I will extend my take profit to this point, about 200 pips. I still have closed one of the position, break even the others, and leaving other position over there to see what the market will give us. All right, now here's where the business ended. That we have had a very potential left head and right shoulder. The neckline of the head and shoulder is there, bearish engulfing, retesting for consecutive 3 days, and then now we are pushing the downside. For now, I'm still hoping that this price might come to this weekly and daily time frame previous lows, if and only if we are able to break under this strong price low zone. But for the sake of first TP, it's the time to take it. Then you see and leave other orders continue to prevail the movement with the market. This is gbpusd. See you tomorrow on Friday. We'll see how today's candle closes and take us to where we want to go. I have had this USD card. I've already shared its analysis in its video. It's also one of the pair that I have had analysis on a Sunday, and the entry was taken by Tuesday. Yesterday, Wednesday, we have had a little drawdown, but not stopped out, and then now we have already hit the TP. Okay, then there is another one, Euro AUD. I got into this. The entry was triggered on Tuesday as well. After we break above this support zone, now we have had a retest to the WLL liquidity. The liquidity took place here is WLL, and then prices continue to go on the upside. I'll take you through the analysis of this pair, but let's just leave it for now. Okay. Then we have had AUD/JPY. We have had a very beautiful break down the support zone. We have had a WLL liquidity, testing the opening price of the WLL liquidity, and then price continues to go to the downside. But then this is the higher time frame retracement. See, we are still having a bullish momentum, but then we have had accumulation here. We get a weekly bearish engulfing at a potential area where there are the daily support zone. But all in all, I am looking for this market to just give us the retracement. It is a retracement from the higher time frame. So I'm selling the counter trend trade from the higher time frame. So these are the only trades that I have had in this week. They are all going good. And let us just wait to see how the market is closing tomorrow. We'll just see if we have an opportunity to capitalize. But for now, just sit and forget. This is gbpusd.